Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Build-A-House Kit is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys for children, fostering their creativity and problem-solving skills while providing hours of fun. This video will review the best options available, considering factors like ease of assembly, durability, and the overall play experience, helping you choose the perfect kit to spark your child's imagination and develop their fine motor skills. Number 5. Hapray Birdhouse Craft Kit. It's time for some fun. This kit has everything you need to build and decorate your own birdhouses. With 4 unassembled birdhouses, paints, brushes, and string, it's ready for your imagination to take flight. These durable, pre-cut plywood pieces make assembly a breeze, perfect for little hands. The water-based paints are safe for kids, letting them express their creativity with vibrant colors. It's a fantastic gift that combines building and painting, fostering creativity and family bonding. We're here to help. Contact us with any questions for a quick and satisfactory solution. What we like. This kit gives you 4 birdhouses to build and decorate. It comes with everything you need, including paints and brushes, making it super convenient. If you're looking for a fun, creative activity for multiple children or a group, this is a great option. What people say. This kit has everything you need. It makes really cute birdhouses that are easy to assemble and fun to paint. These are cute and make a great craft for kids. My young kids were able to put 2 of them together without any help, and only a little help for the 3rd. Showed these to my 5-year-old granddaughter who loves to craft. She loved them and said she wanted the one with the heart door opening. She was so excited when I told her that all 4 came in the pack. It's great value for money because of that. It comes with 4 strips of paint too, so one for each house, really easy to put them together with a bit of glue. And I'm sure they're going to look beautiful hung from a tree. Decent size bird houses for the type of garden birds we get here. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Birdhouse Kit. Get ready to build something amazing. This kit has everything you need to create your own beautiful birdhouse. See all the pieces. It's all high-quality wood. You'll find panels, screws, paint, and even a brush. Time to unleash your creativity. Choose your favorite colors and decorate it however you like. Follow the simple instructions and watch it come together. It's so satisfying to build something with your own hands. Your unique birdhouse is ready. Find the perfect spot in your garden and wait for your feathered friends. It's a perfect gift for kids aged 4 to 7. This hands-on activity encourages creativity and improves fine motor skills. What we like. It's a charming and simple birdhouse kit, perfect for younger children. The straightforward design makes it easy to build, helping develop fine motor skills. If you are looking for a quick and easy project with a cute result, this is the one for you. What people say. The quality is exceptional and we had no problems with any missing parts. This product is very well made, easy to assemble, and, as long as one has a small starhead screwdriver, very easy to assemble. They've weathered quite well over the year that they've been up, and they look nice. Number 3. Kraftic Woodworking Kit. This isn't your average craft kit. It's a real woodworking experience, perfect for kids and adults alike. Get ready to build something amazing. It comes with 80 pieces of real wood, along with all the tools you'll need: hammer, nails, sandpaper, glue, even paint and brushes. Everything is included. With easy-to-follow instructions, you can create 6 different woodworking projects. It's educational and fun for everyone. This kit provides everything you need to complete each project from beginning to end. No need to search for extra materials. Beautifully packaged, it makes a wonderful gift for birthdays or holidays. It's suitable for children aged 4 and up, and adults too. It's more than just a toy, it's a learning experience. It helps develop fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. What we like. This kit is perfect for kids who want to learn real woodworking skills. It includes real tools and materials, allowing them to build 6 different projects. If you want a more challenging and educational experience, this is the best choice. What people say. Wood pieces are nice, not cheap and thin. Boys plan on making the birdhouses with Grandpa for Mother's Day. Great way to get kids away from the electronic, and they don't take hours. Also great learning experience for them to begin to use tools. He sat down with his great-grandpa and built the truck. They had a great time doing it and look forward to making the rest of them. My 6-year-old loves this and was able to do it without much help. Instructions are super simple and easy to follow. He is proud of his finished product every time. Number 2. LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Cozy House 31139. This amazing LEGO set lets you build a charming family house, then rebuild it into 2 more incredible homes. It's perfect for kids who love creative play. Build a cozy family home complete with kitchen, living room, bedrooms, and a garden terrace. Then, transform it into a 3-story canal house or a lakeside getaway. It includes 2 adult and 1 child LEGO minifigures, so you can create your own unique characters and play out endless stories. Customize their hair and clothes for even more fun. Each house is packed with delightful details. The family house has a terrace and mailbox, the canal house has a dog and boats, and the lake house has a fire pit and boat. With 808 pieces, it offers endless possibilities for building and rebuilding. It's a great way to spark imagination and develop problem-solving skills. This versatile set is ideal for children aged 8 and up who enjoy building, creating, and imaginative play. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays or holidays. What we like. This kit offers 3 different house designs to build, each with lots of details and accessories. It's made with high-quality LEGO bricks, ensuring durability and a satisfying build. If you are looking for a high-quality, detailed building experience with multiple options, this is the perfect kit for you. What people say. LEGO sets are made of quality blocks, beautiful colors and easy instructions. One box has 3 different things to build. This house was super enjoyable to build with my kids, and it is so cool that you can change the design at any moment. I love the variety of this set as it can be used for so many things and comes with fun accessories for the figures. Good quality and details. The size is perfect and it functions as expected as far as building. Number 1. TuKIIE DIY Dollhouse Kit. Get ready to embark on a fun and creative journey. This kit contains everything you need to build your own miniature dollhouse, but remember, it's a DIY project. It's made with excellent quality materials. Each piece is precisely cut for a perfect fit. You'll find realistic miniature furniture and accessories included. The assembly will take approximately 2 to 3 days. Follow the easy-to-understand instructions, and don't worry, it's a rewarding experience. Patience is key to success. This is a great project to do with family or friends, making it a fun and bonding experience. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's also a great addition to your home decor. Remember to prepare some essential tools like scissors, glue, and batteries before you start. It's recommended for ages 14 and up, but parental supervision is advised for younger builders. What we like. This kit provides a truly immersive miniature building experience. It includes a music box and lots of tiny details to assemble. If you enjoy intricate projects and want a beautiful finished product, this is the kit for you. What people say. The level of detail in this kit is truly impressive, and it's clear that a lot of care went into its design. Instructions detailed so well. The directions were easy enough to follow if you are a visual person. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.